Masato Fernando. Eddie Duran completing the front row for Dutch Garage for S1M Ravenol. The second row we have Masato Fernando, bike number 17, all the way from Buriram, Thailand. We are happy to see Masato Fernando fit and healthy after a spectacular crash yesterday. So good job, Masato. We're happy that you are healthy. Good luck sa race. And then we have Kirby Berganya of Dutch Garage for S1M Ravenol. 14 laps, Motul Super Underbone Limited GP race. Here we go. Oh, what a good start from Paul, from Jolo Suba. I think he's gonna get the whole shot. Yes, Jolo Suba, what a great line going to the first corner. Managed to squeeze into the lead. Followed by Kerwin Chang of ADM and Eddie Duran and Masato Fernando. So as they were, their grid positions, everybody managed to maintain their position from the starting. So good start so far, at least for the first two rows. But Kerwin Chang immediately attacking Jolo Suba.
A few moments later,
Dutch Garage teammate are shadowing them. There goes Masato trying to get a wheelie. Na-overhaul na po niya si Eddie Duran to take third place. And he will try to catch up with the leading two. So it's Jolo Suba versus Masato Fernando. Meron kaming katuan dito. Ang tawag namin dito, ACCR versus ARRC. So si Masato, napasukan niya si Kerwin Chang to retake second place. So, baliktad naman ngayon. Now it's Suba, Fernando, and Kerwin Chang. But still, dikit-dikit pa rin. Anything can still happen with 2 laps to go. This is last lap na tayo. Last lap. Last lap. So, tutok po tayo dito. We will see some moves here. There goes Masato Fernando taking the lead. Jolo Suba, nothing he can do. Can Kerwin Chang follow up? No. Ayan po si Jolo Suba. Buntik niyang kunin. No contact there. Very good. Ayan po si Masato. When is the last lap? The experience of the chairman shines through. Now we're going to the technical sector of the track. Tapos na po tayo sa fast sector. Dito na tayo sa slow corner. Tignan natin. Kaya na po dikit-dikit na. Can Kerwin Chang wrestle second place? Can Jolo Suba wrestle back the lead? Just 3 corners to go. After this, the last hairpin. Dito po magkaka-action. Tutok lang po dito. The defense si Sato kay Jolo Suba from that inside out braking lane. But there goes Kerwin Chang! No! No, no, no. Muntik, muntik. But here we go. Our top 3 finishers. Barely bike lengths away. Here we go for the win. Will it be Masato Fernando? Yes, it's Masato Fernando by just 0.062 seconds. 0.062 seconds. Wala pa pong isang kisap mata. Wow.